How to connect Discord account to Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account with Steam. So first of all, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner. And over here under the account settings option, you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it, and now just tap on add from the top right corner again, and over here you will be able to see the option called Steam from the list over here. This is the third one. Just simply tap on it, and now it will redirect you to the Steam officials website, where you have to enter your credentials in order to log in into your Steam account. And once you have logged in into your Steam account, you will be able to see the option called continue in order to connect your Discord account and Steam account quite successfully. Just simply tap on continue and your Discord account will be connected to your Steam account quite easily. So this is basically how simple it is to connect your Discord account to Steam account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.